Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Day Trade with Tony, the Small Account Challenge 2023. So, Day Trade with Tony, we're all about trading the stock market, the US stock market, the NYSE and the NASDAQ. We've been doing this Small Account Challenge now for 31 days, so that will be, a large calendar month. But it's approximately 7 weeks, so that we've been doing this now since January the 17th. We started with just under $2,500, and the goal was to grow it incrementally by 5% or better per day. So we're averaging at the moment a little over 10%, so we're actually overachieving against that goal, but it doesn't change the parameters of the goal. So the goal is to grow it 5% per day. So to grow the equity 5%. That's a gross target, by the way. Of course, fees, charges, commissions, etc. All of that's got to come off the top. So we've traded one stock today, and I'll show you the trade in its entirety. So we traded one stock today, and it was Cardio Diagnostics. So we did trade this the other day, and it moved up huge amounts. It was yesterday. It moved up huge amounts, and we made good profit on it yesterday. We've made a good profit on it today because we traded the one stock. We're over goal, 5% growth. We made $1,325. So it's actually slightly over 5%. We started the equity position today on the account was $26,107. Okay, so 26,107. I suppose the name Small Account Challenge is a little bit of a misnomer now, but it's a starting small account. So we've grown from plus the 1,300 today. We've grown from that $2,500 in the middle of January to almost $30,000 now. So looking at, let's say, 1,100 on top of the 26 today, so we're probably looking at the best part of just over $27,000. That will be our starting position tomorrow. I'll have to look at the settlement figures overnight before I know that for sure, but it looks like we're going to be starting with $27,000 tomorrow. So tomorrow's goal, Friday, will be $1,350. If that's the case. So 1,350. We did 1,325 today, one trade, very quick. And let's see what we can do tomorrow. So we do it again. We're streaming the trading live from an hour before the market opens. So 8:30 market time, East Coast, EST, I think is the definition. So we're streaming for an hour before the market opens. We'll also be streaming and trading for 90 minutes after the bell. So 2.5 hours of live day trading tomorrow. Come join us. In the meantime, enjoy the trade replay. This is how it happened, and I don't need to talk you through it. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll talk you through it first, and then you can watch the trade itself. So this was dotted line here is where it closed. The closing price yesterday. It got above the VWAP here. This is the volume weighted average price. Is the blue line here. It got above the VWAP. And we took an early position here and got in, got out, and a small profit there. But the main trade was about $100 or whatever it was. But the main trade was here. So as this moved up, we got it up at the top. It pulled all the way back. So I got watched for the bounce on the VWAP, doubled down. So we were in for 5,000 shares. We doubled down, made it 10,000 shares, and then rolled this up. Took some profits up here and then took the rest off up here, and that was job done. Goal hit. Get green, stay green, get to goal, get out. That's exactly what I've done today, and I think that's a good strategy to have, and I recommend it. It's less stress and it's more profitable. You're less in danger of giving money back to the markets. So watch it. You take note and watch it in real time, and I'll see you tomorrow, an hour before the market opens. Take it easy. What's the margin on this? I can't remember what the leverage is on this one. Oh, it's full leverage. That's all right. Time for the break of the 3/4. Did that just flush down, did it? Ah, no, it's I wouldn't say that's a nasty flush. It went up to 430 on the one and then came back down to where it started. Look at that, and there we go. That's a nasty flush. That is a nasty flush. I just dropped 50 cents and I wasn't paying attention. Well, the good news is here, just buy that dip. Back over 750 and I'll be happy. Morning, Kyle. Pay attention when you're in a trade, guys. I just didn't, and it's just it flushed on me. I'm not overly concerned at this stage. I think we should get back up above the $0.50. That's really what I'm looking for. No, I'm not in BRTX. I'm in CDIO, so cardio diagnostics. The RTX started to make its move up about the same time, and they both flushed about the same time. Along with the market itself. So that was got to pay attention to macroeconomic numbers. So the jobs claims just came out. That's a big thing there. Good stuff. One trade a day, Volfs. That's all you need. One trade a day. That's all you need. Don't chase a move just because. Oh, I missed my opportunity to size down then. Come. Oh, don't believe that. Gotta be quicker on the trigger finger. Just that slight microsecond delay from pushing the button just cost me $400. When did I just exit 54? I'll buy that back in. I could probably get a little bit of a discount. There you go, buy that back in. So see if I can't get that move back again. Quicker on the trigger finger, Tony. That's what you need to be. On fault. See the wider market start to make an upturn after those numbers dropped. Yeah, so actual going the other way. So jobless claims and jobs data is actually getting less, but that's not what you want to see for the market. Well, that's up to you there, Kyle. After the pump up, it was very sideways. I mean, there was some moves yesterday, but it didn't make huge moves. I didn't do Rita yesterday, Jack. I did HPX yesterday. HPX went up over 400% across the day. It was a riskier trade because the spreads were a lot wider and the volume was lower, but it worked out. It worked in my favor, both on the small and the main account. So I traded that twice, and it was very much kind of scalping it. HPX yesterday, you just couldn't afford to leave your equity in there for too long. Not unless you got in early and you rode it up initially. It was just very risky. There we go. Takes us over 1,000 star. Nice. That's on the small account. I needed 1,300 is the target today. Shall I just do that now? Oh no, that's the wrong thing. Get out. You can get a bit of a double top here right now forming, so I'm a little bit wary of that. What I'll probably do is, if I can get 200 bucks here, I'll take it. Need 30. There we go. I'll take that. That's the target done. Goal done for the small account today.